Okay, I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible because this video is going to get huge. First off, you go to iTunes. All you do from there is pick a song that you want, like I picked Dirty Deeds. Basically, all we would do is go to Get Info, then go to Options. You see the start time. You want to check the start time and stop time. Let's say that I just wanted the first 30 seconds of this song. So all I would do is I type in 0 and then 30. Basically what that's going to do is it's going to make this song only play those 30 seconds. As you can see, I've got it to auto shuffle, so it's going to make this a little bit more difficult. Anyway, so now we've got 30 seconds of this song playing. What you do at that point is you go to create AAC version. What it does is it then takes that song and makes it a 30-second song, as you can see. So the best way to do that is say, okay, now I've got my 30-second ringtone song. I'm going to go to Show in Windows Explorer. When it does that, it's going to bring me into basically where this file is located, which is going to be up here. It's located in, my documents, my music, iTunes Music, AC/DC folder, and Dirty Deeds. Now, the file that I just created is right here. You can tell it's generally smaller than the other ones. So what you do is you go to the control panel, and then you go into folder options, say view, then uncheck hide extensions for known file types, then hit apply. Then hit OK. I am talking to Levi. Yes, and then you see that this is a WM4A. At that point, hit rename, then type in R instead of A. At that point, it's going to say, do you want this file to change it? You'll say yes, and it then turns into a ringtone. From iTunes, you have to delete this file before you import the other one. So make sure you click delete on the AAC version that you copied. You'll click remove, and then you'll click where it says, Dirty Deeds. You want to go back in and do info, then options, and uncheck your start and stop times. Then hit OK. Then go to file, and then say add file to the library. Basically at that point you want to re-find your AC/DC file that you made, which is going to be right here. Then you're going to click open, and then now in my ringtones I should have an AC/DC song, which is Dirty Deeds done cheap, and my iPhone of course will then sync it and make it a ringtone. And once you're done with all that, you definitely want to go back and make sure, like once you're done completely killing your ringtones, you are making your own ringtones, you want to go back into folder options and then view, and then recheck hide known extensions, because if you don't, when you go into Windows Explorer and come back in here and you're like to rename the song, it would basically screw you, because if you try to rename it and you didn't have the file extension on there, then the song would be unplayable basically. So what you want to do is, once you've finished making ringtones, go ahead and reset it back. Aside from that, that's pretty much all you've got to do. If you have any questions, call me.